I want for people to purchase what I purchased. Here's why. My life changed when I connected your live chat service to my website for this reason. I didn't know what I was expecting. And I thought, I mean, we answer questions. We're Ask a House Cleaner. We answer questions all day, every day. I know exactly what questions are coming to my business. So I thought, until we hooked up the live chat service. And then I got a bunch of questions that I was like, people are asking that of my business. Wait a second, how come I didn't know that? And I realized in that moment, what was happening is people are coming to our website looking for something and they're not finding it. So they're bouncing out and they're going somewhere else. If they're asking that question at my business, holy smack, I need to stop what I'm doing. And I need to make sure there's an answer for that. Because when the transcriptions came back, the live chat agent is trying to answer those questions and doesn't have the information because I didn't give it to them. And then I said, wait a second, we need to have an answer for that. It's one of the quickest, fastest ways you will learn about your business by having a live chat agent and having them ask those questions of the person that came to your site looking for something specific. And when we started training the chat service saying, hey, this is what, this is how you answer that question. I cannot believe, I am so amazed and so impressed at how quickly they start picking up on the answers. And then the first several that came through, I'm like, oh my goodness, I need 82 questions that I thought we had the answers to. We didn't. And then I'm like, well, we got to do some training really quick. And it was so worth it because what happens now, a couple of weeks later, when the questions are coming in, the chat service is answering those for me, which removes me from the front line of my business. So I'm not the one answering those calls. Those are going directly to the chat service. They're answering those for me because now they're trained and they know the answers. That is like hiring a person inside your business that responds, and I hate to say this, more politely than I would ever do myself. And I sit here going, man, how do they train these people to be so polite? But I mean, oh yes, hello, how may I help you? Is there anything else I can help you with? Oh, thank you so much for checking in with us today. And I'm just like, man, these people are like right on. And I mean, I have mood swings. I'm a real person. I don't know who you have working for you, but oh my goodness, very polite. And I sit there going, why didn't we do this years ago? Why am I just doing this right now? I mean, I'm kicking myself in the seat of the pants every day. Okay, that's the message I want to share with people. And I want them to purchase what I purchased. This is what I purchased right now. And I want them to know that when you train the service, because like right now, 80 questions in, I feel comfortable switching gears and having us go to a phone service where before I was a little bit skeptical because like, what if you guys answer questions and you don't know the answers or something? So, but it was just a real eye opener for me because I thought I understood my business and I didn't until we brought you guys on board. I'm just so impressed. And I'm so impressed at the politeness of the team that you have. You guys have really made us look good.